So, Monica, quick question. Have you ever said, I disagree in a meeting, and then the room went silent?
Oh no, yes! And you can feel your soul leave your body, right?
Exactly. I did it last week. I said, no, that's wrong. And my boss just blinked.
Oh, Jack, that's the cold shower sentence.
And after that, everyone talked like robots. Very polite, very far away.
If that sounds like you, stay with us. Today we'll help you agree and disagree politely without sounding rude, cold, or fake.
Welcome back to Easy English Ears. I'm Jack.
And I'm Monica.
Today's topic is agreeing and disagreeing politely, and how to express your opinions in a soft, natural way.
Because in English, it's not only what you say, it's how you say it.
And we'll do it podcast style, like two people chatting in a cafe.
Also, we'll act out some awkward moments. You'll laugh and you'll remember.
And hopefully you'll avoid my no, that's wrong moment.
Okay, let's start.
First common question. How do I share my opinion without sounding too strong?
Start simple. You can say, I think, in my opinion, for me, personally.
Short, easy, safe.
And you can soften it with small words. I think maybe. I'm not sure, but I think. I feel like.
Quick question. What's the difference between I think and I feel?
Good one. I think is more about ideas. I feel is more personal. Like, I think this plan is too expensive. And I feel nervous about this plan. Both are correct, just match the meaning.
So I feel is great for emotions.
Exactly. And for me is super safe for opinions. For me, this is a bit difficult. It sounds gentle.
Let's do a quick pronunciation tip.
Yes, opinion is opinion.
Opinion.
And agree is agree. Disagree is disagree. The stress is on gree.
Agree. Disagree.
Now, awkward moment number 1. You're in a meeting, someone asks your opinion. Bad version first.
Okay, I'm the manager. Monica, what do you think about the new schedule?
This schedule is terrible.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And then nobody talks to you at lunch.
Yes, that was strong.
Better version, same idea, softer.
Monica, what do you think about the new schedule?
In my opinion, it's a bit hard for the team. Maybe we can adjust the morning hours.
Much better. You still gave your opinion, but you also sounded helpful.
Notice the softeners. A bit, maybe, we can.
Your opinion becomes a suggestion, not an attack.
One more useful skill, ask other people's opinions.
Yes, polite English is not only talking, it's also inviting.
Easy questions. What do you think? How do you feel about it? Do you agree?
Quick practice. Listeners answer out loud. So, what do you think about working from home on Fridays?
Example answers. For me, it's great. I can focus more. Or, I'm not sure, but I think it could work.
Nice, short and clear.
Okay, part 2, agreeing.
Agreeing is easy until it's not.
Why?
Because some learners only say yes or yes, yes, yes. It can sound like you're not listening.
So we want active agreement. It shows you understand.
Easy phrases. Exactly. You're right. That's true. Good point. I agree.
And warmer ones, I totally agree. I feel the same. That makes sense.
That makes sense is my favorite. Simple and polite.
Awkward moment number 2. Your coworker shares an idea. You want to agree, but you sound empty. Bad version.
I think we should email the client today.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Are you okay?
That's not agreement. That's a zombie.
Better version. I think we should email the client today.
Yes, you're right. It's better to send it early, then they have time to reply.
Perfect. You agreed and you added a reason.
You can also agree and add a small idea. Good point. Maybe we can add one more detail.
So you sound like a teammate, not a repeat machine.
Exactly. Quick grammar fix. Many learners say, I am agree. In English, I agree. No am.
Right. I agree.
Now, sometimes you don't agree 100%. You agree a little. That's normal.
Yes, like I like the idea, but not the timing.
Here are simple partial agreement phrases. I agree with you, but I agree to a point. That's true, but you're right about that, but
Let's make it funny. Awkward moment 2.5. The team lunch fight.
okay, you're the coworker. You say, let's eat spicy food. Everyone loves spicy food.
Let's eat spicy food. Everyone loves spicy food.
Bad answer. No, that's not true. You're wrong.
Spicy silence.
Better answer. You're right, spicy food is fun, but some people can't eat it. Maybe we can choose a place with spicy and non-spicy options.
Perfect. You agreed first, then you added the problem, then you offered a solution.
Yes, that's polite English. Agreement plus teamwork.
Okay, now the big one. Disagreeing politely.
This is where people panic.
Because you don't want to be rude, but you also don't want to lie.
The key is respect first, then your opinion.
So we often start with a bridge. I see your point, but I understand, but I'm not sure I agree. I get what you mean, however.
This bridge says, I hear you.
Mini practice. Listeners, repeat out loud. I see your point.
And repeat, I'm not sure I agree.
Now, a common mistake. Some learners say, you are not right.
Yes, it sounds like a fight.
Better, I'm not sure that's correct. Or, I think there might be another option.
And another mistake, I disagree you.
It's, I disagree with you.
Good. One small word, big difference.
What if I want to disagree, but I still want to be friendly?
Add soft words. A bit, maybe, kind of. Like, I'm not sure I agree. It might be a bit risky. Or, maybe, but I think we need more time.
Small words make big changes.
Awkward moment number 3, dinner with friends. Bad version.
This new restaurant is amazing. Best pizza in town.
No, it's bad.
Wow, okay.
And now you still have to sit there for 1 hour.
With bad pizza.
Better version. Same feeling, polite.
This new restaurant is amazing. Best pizza in town.
Oh, I see why you like it. For me, it's a little too salty, but the crust is really nice.
Perfect. You used for me and a little, and you added a positive.
That positive part is like a small gift.
So it's not, you are wrong. It's, my taste is different.
Exactly. Another natural phrase, I'm not a big fan of. Like, I'm not a big fan of horror movies.
Nice.
Okay, quick funny one. Your friend asks, do you like my new haircut?
Oh no, danger zone.
Bad answer, no, it's ugly.
Wow, friendship over.
Better answers, it's not really my style. It's a bit different, but you look confident. I liked your old one, but this is cool too.
These are soft. They don't hurt.
Right, we disagree, but we keep the relationship.
Now, stronger disagreement at work when something is risky.
Try these. I'm concerned about. I don't think that will work because I have a different view. Can we look at another option? Would you be open to another idea?
Would you be open to is super polite.
Yes, it's like you're opening a door, not pushing someone.
Awkward moment number 4, the funny email plan. Bad version.
You're the team leader. You say, let's send a joke to the client. It will be funny.
Let's send a joke to the client. It will be funny.
Bad answer. That's stupid.
Okay. Wow.
And now you are in trouble.
You might be right, but you sounded rude.
Better version.
Let's send a joke to the client. It will be funny.
I see your idea, but I'm concerned it may look unprofessional. Maybe we can keep the email short and friendly instead?
Clear and polite. You used concerned and you offered another option.
That's the secret. Don't only say no, give a what if.
A what if saves the relationship.
Now let's talk about a super common situation. Your boss asks you to work on the weekend.
Oh yes, and you want to say no, but you want to stay polite.
Bad version, no, I can't, bye.
Very short, very scary.
Better version, I understand it's urgent, but I already have plans this weekend. Could I finish it first thing Monday morning?
That's great. You said you understood, you gave a reason, and you offered a plan.
Exactly.
Here's another useful skill. Disagreeing by asking a question.
Yes, questions sound softer. You can say, could you explain that? Do you mean, just to check, are you saying, can we look at the numbers again?
Because sometimes you don't disagree, you just don't understand.
Right, and asking first prevents fights.
Let's do a small awkward moment, the confusing instructions moment.
Okay, I'm the manager. Please send the file to John.
And I'm confused. Bad version, you said it wrong.
Oh no.
Better version, just to check, do you mean John in sales or John in marketing?
Perfect. Clear, polite, and helpful.
Now let's talk about disagreeing in emails, because writing can sound colder.
Yes, emails don't have your smile, so you need polite words.
Simple email starters. Thanks for your message. Thanks for sharing your idea. I see your point.
Then your disagreement. However, I'm not sure this will work. I'm concerned about the timeline. I think we may need another option.
And a polite close. What do you think? Would you be open to? Let me know your thoughts.
Let's do a mini email example, super short.
Okay.
Thanks for sharing. I see your point. However, I'm concerned about the cost. Would you be open to a cheaper option?
That's a perfect email. Friendly, clear, not rude.
Also, small tip. In emails, exclamation can look too strong if you use it too much.
Yes, 1 exclamation is okay. 5 exclamations is a lot.
Yes, and it can sound angry or crazy.
Now one small word that can cause problems. Actually.
Yes, it can sound like you're correcting.
For facts, it's okay. Actually, the meeting is at 2. But for opinions, it can sound sharp. Actually, your idea is not good.
So use softer starters. Well, from my experience, I might be wrong, but...
Listeners, quick repeat. From my experience...
And I might be wrong, but...
Good. That one is very soft.
And a softer disagreement for work, I'm afraid I disagree. It's polite, but a bit formal.
If you say it to your brother, he may laugh.
Yes.
Now let's build a simple pattern you can remember.
Pattern. Small respect, your opinion, a question or suggestion.
Example?
Coworker, let's finish this in 1 day. You, I see your point, but I think we need more time. Could we do it by Friday instead?
Respect, opinion, suggestion.
Quick role-play practice. 3 mini situations. Listeners, answer out loud.
Situation 1. Your friend says, let's watch a 3-hour movie tonight.
A polite disagree. I get what you mean, but I'm a bit tired. Could we watch something shorter?
Nice. Now, situation 2. Your coworker says, we don't need to prepare. We can just make it up as we go along.
You can say, I'm not sure I agree. I think we should prepare at least a simple outline.
Good. Situation 3. Your manager says, "This report is perfect."
But you see 2 mistakes. Try, "It looks great. I just noticed 2 small points. Can we fix them before we send it?"
Beautiful. You started with a positive.
One more tip, your voice matters. A small smile helps. A warm tone helps.
And small friendly words help too, like, "Oh, right. You know, I see."
Mini upgrade game. I'll say a direct sentence. Jack, make it polite.
Okay,
Direct, you're wrong.
I see your point, but I think there may be another way.
Nice. Direct, that won't work.
I'm not sure that will work. What if we try this instead?
Perfect. Direct, your idea is bad.
I get what you mean. For me, it might be a bit risky. Could we consider another option?
Great.
One last thing. Yes, but can sound like you don't really agree.
True. If you truly agree, try yes and. If you partly agree, try I agree but.
Okay, quick recap. Your polite opinion toolkit. Opinion, I think. In my opinion. For me. Agree. Exactly. That's true. Good point. I agree. Partial agree. You're right, but. That's true, but. Disagree. I see your point, but. I'm not sure I agree. I get what you mean, however.
Work phrases. I'm concerned about. I don't think that will work because. Would you be open to? What if we.
And grammar. I agree. I disagree with you.
Now, your turn. In the comments, tell us one situation where you need to disagree politely.
And write one sentence using, "I see your point, but."
Also, if you want extra practice, write 2 versions, one direct version and one polite version.
If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend.
Especially the friend who says, "No, that's wrong."
I'm learning too.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.
Bye.